Right, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply some parametric holes to an existing parametric panel. Okay, so what we need to do first is create a new sheet. So in this new sheet, what we need to do is, first of all, is enable parametrics. So in my favorites, enable parametrics, and then we just go to and draw the circle. So from origin 0, 0, for mine, I'm going to use a 5mm drill, which means I need a 2.5mm radius. Okay, lovely. Okay, so file, and we're going to save this feature, and we're going to call this 5mm hole. Save. And okay, that. Now going back to the original parametric template, we can now fix the drill holes where we want them. So first thing to do is create a new layer, hole, and select the layer. Okay, now if we look in the bottom right hand corner and expand, we will find the custom parts. So in this, there's mine, there's the one I've just created. So click on there and we're going to do multiple ins. Okay, now we decide where we want to put them. So we can either fill this in by specific requirements, or what we can do, what I'm going to do on this one is going to go midpoint, and it's going to snap automatically to that midpoint there. So I'll put the first one there and the second one here. There we go. We can see by the settings that are already in place that there are 32. It's placed 32 drill holes in this area. Okay, now we need to change a few things. So the start point, I want it away from the left hand corner, so I'm going to put it 40mm. Okay, you can see it's just shifted there, and then on the other end I'm also going to put 40mm. Okay, interaxes, this is the space in between them, so I want the minimum space of 250mm. On this particular one, you can see that the spacing in between each one of these is 250, but you can see there's a big gap here. Now that's because we're start a line. So it's going to give me the 40mm here, and then just keep placing down every 250mm until it runs out of room. So what I'm going to use here is a maximum interaxes. Okay, so it's 40mm at the end, 40mm at the end, and with a maximum interaxes, it's going to place them 217.5mm. Okay, so, and that's that. Click OK, and that'll save. Now if I want to test this, if I open up my local symbols, 950, let's go 500. There we go. 1200. Super. Now if I wanted to edit any one of these, any of these settings, just select it and your usual settings will turn up here. Double click on distribution rule and we can change there we go. So now it's done at a maximum of 400mm. If we change this to minimum interaxes, it'll do no less than 400 in between each one of these drill holes. Let's stick on maximum interaxes. There we go. Okay, close, lovely. Now we can do the same for the rest of it. There we go. Right, there we go. All four sides done. So if we check any one of these, let's go 1600 by 800. It will add or remove the amount of holes that we need.